What if the biggest crypto story of 2025 has nothing to do with Bitcoin? What if the smart money is quietly positioning itself for a massive rally in a coin that many had written off? Forget the daily price charts for a minute, because the real signals are happening behind the scenes, and they point to a fundamental shift that is already in motion. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Today, we're looking at the concrete evidence showing how major financial players are quietly preparing for a future that involves XRP, and why that could fuel a move in 2025 that many still think is out of reach. For years, the lawsuit from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission was the single biggest weight holding XRP back. Now, that fog of uncertainty is finally clearing. In August 2025, the years-long legal battle reached a major turning point when both Ripple and the SEC agreed to drop their appeals. This cemented a landmark court ruling. XRP is not considered a security when it's sold to the public on exchanges. While a few details around institutional sales and penalties are being finalized, the biggest existential threat is off the table. For the first time in years, the fear that kept big institutions on the sidelines is fading, opening the door for a new phase of adoption. With the legal picture becoming clearer, institutional players are starting to make their moves. We're now seeing a huge catalyst for demand taking shape: exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. While U.S. spot XRP ETFs haven't started trading just yet, the groundwork is being laid. Over a dozen major asset managers, including giants like Grayscale, Bitwise, and Franklin Templeton, have filed applications, with decisions expected around October and November 2025. As a sign of growing interest, a leveraged XRP futures ETF from ProShares already launched in July 2025, giving traders a way to get exposure. But spot ETFs are the real prize. They would offer a regulated, easy path for pension funds, asset managers, and other big players to invest in XRP, potentially unlocking a massive wave of new capital. This is the smart money getting into position. If you're starting to see how these pieces connect and want to stay ahead of the curve, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss where this is heading. All this institutional interest wouldn't matter if the technology wasn't up to the task. At its core, XRP was built to do one thing: make money move as fast and cheaply as information. That's where Ripple's on-demand liquidity, or ODL, comes in. Using XRP as a bridge, ODL allows financial institutions to process cross-border payments in just 3 to 5 seconds with tiny fees. This is a game-changer compared to the old SWIFT system, which can take days and ties up trillions of dollars in parked capital for banks worldwide. While a sudden flood of new bank partnerships hasn't materialized just yet, the improved legal clarity makes it much easier for institutions like Santander and Bank of America to explore using Ripple's network. So, let's put it all together. The biggest legal hurdle for XRP is largely in the rearview mirror. The doors for institutional money are being unlocked with a clear path towards spot ETFs. And at the center of it all is a proven technology designed to solve a multi-trillion-dollar problem in global finance. This is why some crypto commentators are floating speculative price targets between $5 and even $10. That might sound ambitious, especially with XRP's recent all-time high hitting just over $3.65 in July 2025. But when you look past the daily noise and focus on the fundamental shifts, you can see a clear path forming. The foundation for a potentially explosive move in 2025 isn't just being built, it's already here. The question you have to ask yourself is, are you seeing the signals? This is more than just another crypto cycle. This is a fundamental reset. To stay ahead of what's coming and get our deepest insights, make sure you subscribe and join our insiders group on our website at generationalwealth.biz. The time for waiting is over. The time for preparation is now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.